Hey guys, what's up? It's Moni Crochet and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. Thank you for joining me in today's video where I'll be trying different Indian foods and giving my honest opinions of them. Leave me a comment below and let me know what your favorite Indian food is. I'd love to know. And let's get into the video, shall we? First we have biryani, which I call BBB for short. And this has got to be one of the most delicious things I've ever tasted. The flavors of this food are just really delicious. I ate mine with some potato chips and I really enjoyed this. Then we have what some might call padu and what others might call ponganalu. And I'm having this with a peanut chutney. The best way I can describe this is it's like a mini dosa, and I actually quite enjoyed it. I like the texture and the flavor, and all in all it's quite good. Next we have rasam. Now I'm sure most people will know what rasam is, but if you don't, I can describe it as a spicy tomato soup kind of dish. And I know it's more popular to eat it with rice, but I opted to drink it instead. Next I'm having some brinjal curry and jowar roti. I enjoy brinjal in general, so the curry for me was absolutely amazing. Jowar roti is a lot more dry than a normal roti or a chapati, but it is also extremely healthy. All in all, the combination of the roti and the curry was pretty good. Next we have the popular pani puri. Now if you're watching this video, chances are you know what pani puri is or you've had it before yourself. There is so much to say about pani puri. It's such a fun dish with so many different flavors. I personally enjoy pani puri very much. Let me know in the comments below. Do you enjoy it as well? The next one is dahi puri. I think the reason they call it dahi puri is because it has yogurt or curd in it. Let me know if I'm wrong, I'm not 100% sure, but this is really yummy, very flavorful. It's a combination of crunchy, salty, spicy. I really like this. Then we have ragi ball and peanut chutney. Now ragi ball is made out of ragi malt, which I believe has quite a lot of health benefits. In my country, I grew up eating ragi malt in a sweet form, so to eat it in a spicy form was very interesting for me. But it's something that I will definitely eat again. Next we have the classical dal and rice, and I'm having it with some onion bhaji and some chili bhaji. Now come on, you can't go wrong with a good plate of dal and rice. It's just delicious. It's probably one of my favorite foods. Now when it comes to the bhaji, the onion bhaji I enjoy very much. It reminds me of a thing back home that's called onion rings. And the chili bhaji is okay. It's not my favorite, but it's not too bad. We then have chama dumpalu curry and chapati. Now with chapati you can't go wrong. I enjoy a good chapati. I like it with pretty much any curry. And the only thing I can compare chama dumpalu to is a yam. I'm not sure if it's the same thing or within the same vegetable family, but the taste is quite similar. It also has a very similar texture to a potato. Next we have dosa and coconut chutney. The dosa was amazing. I enjoy dosa in general, different types of dosas. They're very yummy. I have to honestly say I'm not the biggest fan of the coconut chutney. Then we have gobi rice. This one had cauliflower in and it was quite good. I don't know if it's something I will eat all the time, but I will definitely have it again. I then stopped at Juice Junction to get some fresh juice and, well, there's not much to say. You can't go wrong with a fresh cup of juice. I landed up having their grape juice, but I have had a variety of different juices from them before. We then have bitter gourd curry and chapati. Now for me personally, I really enjoy bitter gourd and bottle gourd, but I feel like it's one of those vegetables that you either really love or really hate. It does have a very distinct taste, and it's a taste that I personally enjoy, but I do know a lot of people that don't like it very much. Next we have some bel puri. Now bel puri is very similar to dahi puri, just a little bit more dry. And this one had a whole bunch of onions in it, which was quite nice. In general, it's a very delicious snack to have. Next we have the classical idli, vada and coconut chutney with sambar. The idli I enjoyed very much as I like idli in general. The vada I'm not a huge fan of. The sambar was really good. The taste was really nice. And as for the coconut chutney, I think you know how I feel about that one. Next I had a huge South Indian meal consisting of dal, rice, mixed veg curry, roti, curd, papadum and sweet. The dal and rice was good. The mixed veg curry they tend to make very spicy, but it was not too bad. At least they gave some curd to help with the spiciness, and the sweet was obviously delicious. I have a sweet tooth and I absolutely love Indian sweets. I then had some onion bhaji and brinjal bhaji. Now, like I said previously, I really do enjoy onion bhaji. I love the taste. It's extremely delicious. The brinjal bhaji is good. It's not as good for me as the onion bhaji, but it's quite tasty. The onion bhaji has got to be my favorite. It's so delicious that I land up eating way more of them than I should, but I really enjoy it. I then decided to try some Potful biryani. And the whole concept of how this restaurant presents their biryani is absolutely fascinating to me. It's like a whole experiment just to get your biryani out of the pot, but it is really fun and their biryani is extremely tasty. I tried their mixed veg biryani and their mushroom biryani and I quite enjoyed both of them very much. I had this in South India, so let me know in the comments below, do they have Potful biryani in your state? And then just to end off this video, I had to have biryani one more time. It is truly one of the most delicious foods I've ever had, probably in my life. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I would love for you to leave me a comment and let me know if there's any foods that you can recommend to me that I try next. If there are any foods from your state or city or area that are popular or that you really enjoy, please let me know if you would like me to try them. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a big thumbs up. Stay awesome, lots of love, and I will see you in the next video. Until next time.